Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna share this makeup look. So let's get started. First I'm using Biotic moisturizer. Next I'm using Lakme primer. And here I'm using Fit Me foundation and Garnier BB cream for the base. For concealing dark circles I'm using Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. Now I'm setting up my base with Spins BB powder. Now for blush, eyeshadow and eyebrows, I'm gonna use this Beauty Glaze eyeshadow palette. For blush, I am using pink shade from the palette. To fill in the brows, I use the brown shade from the palette. For eyeshadow, I'm using a peachy shade and I'm blending it all over my eyes and crease line. Now I'm blending a brown shade all over my eyelid. Now I'm using the silver shade from the Maybelline the Nude palette and applying it over the half eyelid. So this is the final eye makeup with mascara and liner. For lipstick I'm using this Swiss Beauty Soft Matte Lip Cream. Setting up my makeup with Faces Canada Makeup Fixer. Applying silver highlighter from Swiss Beauty. So guys, this is the final makeup look. Hope you guys like it. Please like, subscribe and share to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.